Let's start by adding in some text. Go to the top left and find this plus button here. And we'll start by dragging in a text heading. We'll drag this into the left side here. You'll see this pink line appear. That shows that this widget is going to be dropped in right here within this container. So I'm going to drop it here. And now we can start editing our text. And to edit your text, you have two different ways to do it. You can double click on the text to highlight it, or you can edit it here on the left-hand side. Now go ahead and replace this text with your website's headline. I'll type mine in here. For your e-commerce website, this should be a simple, eye-catching headline that describes what you're selling and what your e-commerce website is all about. With that typed out, let's go ahead and click into our container settings. That's going to be this gray box right here. Now here you'll see some of your format settings for your container. This is going to change how certain things within your container appear. Widgets like text, images, and videos. Let's go down and find Justify Content. And I'm going to want to set this to center. And now everything within the container is going to be nice and centered on the page. Now let's click back into the heading itself. Then on the left, go into Style. Click this pencil icon next to Typography. And here we can find some of our text settings. I want to start by changing out the font. So I'll click into it here. If you have a specific font you're looking for, you can type it here and find it. One of the most popular fonts out there right now is called Poppins. It looks great and works for just about any kind of website. I'll click on it here, and that's going to change out my font. Right now, my font weight is also looking a little bit too thin for this being a headline. So on the left-hand side, I'll go into weight. I'm going to change this from default to extra bold. Now, I think that stands out a lot more and looks a lot better. Now we need to add in a subheadline. To easily do that, we can duplicate this text. Right-click on it and click Duplicate. I'll change out this text by double-clicking on it. Then I'll paste in my subheading. Now for this text, I'm going to go back into the style settings, click into typography, and then under weight, I'm going to set this to 400. Now I want to make this text a little bit smaller as well. So I'm going to go to the size slider here, and I'm going to scale this text up to where it looks just about right. I think 24 pixels looks just about right here.